We're gonna make some smash burgers tonight. So smash burgers and some fries. We've seasoned the griddle, and so we're gonna get started here in just a second. We're gonna do some smash burgers. I'm gonna show you how to do the first one. I'm gonna put things together. But you just smash the burgers. Mash it down. That's smash burgers. Got it on?
Yes.
All right, so we're going to season it. I'm wanting some teriyaki, but these are smash burgers. This is sweet teriyaki. Love sweet teriyaki. Love my teriyaki. And I got the girls, they're liking sweet teriyaki. Mom doesn't like it so much. And then we've got our fries over here. Fries and our smash burgers. So, okay, that's how we're doing it. Toasted some buns and then we're getting the fries cooked up here and getting them gonna taste good. Gonna have to put some salt on them here in a minute, but we're getting there.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Oh, this is a new camera woman since the last one I had, so I got to train this one now. So now we got the fries. We've toasted the buns, and we're getting the fries done, and then we're going to go in and we're going to partake. Some of you might have seen the reel today where we were in the hospital, and my wife Stella, my baby, she was having some tests done. So those tests that they gave her, they had to give her some stuff, and she's not feeling that well, so she's probably not going to eat supper tonight. But me and our girls are going to have some smash burgers and French fries. So till next time, you have a good one. See, she's just going back and forth, getting you dizzy, isn't she? All right. Hey, tell you what.